Welcome to Tiny Leaf. Today, we're exploring beautiful winter flowers that can brighten up your garden and home even in the coldest months. First up, we have pansies. These hardy flowers come in a variety of colors and can bloom even in mild winter temperatures. They're perfect for adding a splash of color to your winter garden. Next, let's talk about violas. Similar to pansies, these charming flowers can withstand frost and provide delightful blooms throughout the winter months. They are also great for borders and containers. At number 3, we have winter jasmine. Known for its bright yellow blooms, this plant can add a cheerful touch to your garden from late winter to early spring. It thrives in sunny spots. Moving on to hellebores, also known as Christmas roses. These lovely flowers bloom in late winter and are known for their delicate, nodding petals that come in various colors. The charming snowdrops are often the first to bloom in winter. These small white flowers can emerge even when snow is still on the ground, symbolizing hope and renewal. Next up is the cyclamen. With their unique petal shape and vibrant colors, these flowers can bloom throughout winter, adding a lovely touch to indoor spaces and gardens alike. At number 7, we have camellias. Depending on the variety, some bloom beautifully in winter, showcasing large, stunning flowers that can brighten any garden. The Daphne is known for its fragrant pink or white flowers that bloom in late winter. Its sweet scent can fill your garden with delightful aromas during the chilly months. Next, we have the Iris reticulata, an early blooming iris that often flowers in late winter. Its striking blooms can bring color to your garden when you need it most. The Lenten rose is a stunning flower that blooms from late winter to early spring. Its unique blooms come in various shades and can thrive in shady areas. Primroses are cheerful flowers available in a variety of colors. They can bloom in winter with the right care and add a vibrant touch to your indoor or outdoor spaces. Lastly, we have the anemone. Some varieties bloom in winter, offering delightful charm and beauty to your garden. They thrive in well-drained soil and bright locations. And there you have it, 12 beautiful winter flowers that can brighten your cold days. Which ones are you excited to plant? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening inspiration. Thanks for watching.